Muling susubukin ang defending champion San Miguel Beermen bukas sa pagharap nila sa 2015 Govs Cup runner-up Alaska Aces. Hindi naman sigurado si SMB coach Leo Austria kung mailalaro niya ang reinforcement na si Arizona Reed. Ang detalye mula kay Maria Isabel Reyes.
Aminado si San Miguel Beermen head coach Leo Austria, naging malaking factor ang injuries ng ilang miyembro ng team sa kanilang laban kontra Global Port Batang Pier noong Biyernes. Talo ang SMB kontra Terence Romeo at Stanley Pringle-led team 98-92 matapos ma-miss ang contribution ni 2016 Philippine Cup Finals MVP Chris Ross. Binabagabag din ng injuries si American Reinforcement Arizona Reed at hindi pa 100% si former MVP Arwin Santos. Pero para kay Austria, kailangan nilang mag-move on mula sa tough loss. Ito ay dahil nakatakda silang humarap sa kanilang rival Alaska Aces bukas.
For us, tomorrow's game is very important for us dahil we don't want to be left behind by the four teams on top. Dahil our goal is to get into the Final Four, top four, and Alaska is a very tough team to beat, and now they are riding on the momentum.
Hawak ngayon ng San Miguel ang 4 wins against 2 losses record at kasalukuyang nasa 4th place sa standings. Susubukan naman daw nilang paglaruin si Ross bukas, lalo't kailangan nila ang hustle ng 6'1" point guard.
Yeah, yesterday he was able to practice but not 100% because he wants to loosen up, and I'm hoping that today in our practice medyo mag-improve yun so that tomorrow he can play at least 90%. But we needed namin siya because we're facing Alaska. And we know na Alaska is talagang yung pressure defense nila. That's something na we have to arrest.
Samantala, sinisigurado naman ni Austria na all is well sa pagitan nila ni AZ Reed matapos ang kanilang Global Port loss. Marami kasi ang nakapansin na may miscommunication ng dalawa sa huling dalawang timeout ng kanilang last game. Paliwanag ni Austria, ito ay dahil frustrated si Reed dahil sa binabagabag ito ng Achilles heel injury sa kanang paa. Hindi naman masigurado ni Austria kung makakalaro ang kanilang reinforcement bukas.
We talked last Sunday regarding those teams that not pleasing to the eyes of so many people, but we're okay. We don't know yet on a day-to-day basis din siya. Malalaman natin mamaya or bukas dahil sabi ng doktor is for him to rest.
Susubukan ng San Miguel Beer na makabalik sa winning column sa laban nila kontra Aces bukas alas 7 ng gabi sa Big Dome. Maria Isabel Reyes, PTV Sports.